Huawei Mate 40 Pro. The Mate series from Chinese smartphone behemoth Huawei features some of the best specs and features that you can get from an Android phone. The devices offer excellent value for money as well as technological innovation. The Mate 40 Pro is part of the Mate series lineup for 2020. The Mate 40 Pro features a 6.6-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1176 by 2400 pixels and features an in-screen fingerprint sensor. Under the hood of the Mate 40 Pro is an octa-core Kirin 990 SoC, and the phone comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage space. On the back, you have a 48MP plus 40MP plus 8MP plus 5MP quad camera system, and for selfies, the phone is equipped with a 32MP plus 2MP dual camera. The battery capacity of the phone is impressive at 4,700 mAh and features 40W fast charging as well. Some of the popular Huawei mobile phones include the P30 Pro, the P40 Pro, and the P40 Lite. Huawei Mate 40 Pro price expected. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro price is expected to be $1,270. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro launch is scheduled for October 19, 2020. The 8GB 256GB model is expected to be priced at around $1,270 and will be available in 3 color options. Huawei Mate 40 Pro details 6.6-inch OLED display, Gorilla Glass 6. Huawei continues to equip its devices with stunning displays, and it is no different with the Mate 40 Pro as well. The device features a 6.6-inch notched OLED display that is perfect to consume visual content on. The screen offers a resolution of 1176 by 2400 pixels at a pixel density of 405 pixels per inch. The display has an under-display fingerprint reader and also features Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for protection against scratches and minor damage. Kirin 990 chipset, rear quad camera. Great performance is something you can expect out of the Mate 40 Pro, as it features the flagship-grade Kirin 990 chipset, made in-house by Huawei. The SoC features a Mali G76MP16 GPU that handles the graphics processing. The phone runs on EMUI 10, which is Huawei's custom Android ROM offering Android 10. The device packs 8GB of RAM with 256GB of onboard storage. The camera is one of the highlights of the Mate 40 Pro thanks to the AI-packed quad shooter setup on the rear. You get a 48MP primary lens and a 40MP telephoto lens, an 8MP ultrawide camera, as well as a 5MP depth sensor. As expected, the night mode and zoomed images are excellent on the Mate 40 Pro. For selfies, the phone has a 32MP plus 2MP selfie camera that can take some great portrait shots. You can shoot 4K videos on the rear camera, but you're limited to full HD videos with the front camera. 4,700 mAh battery, 40W fast charging, connectivity options. Battery life and charging speed have both been strong features of Huawei's high-end phones, and the Mate 40 Pro lives up to the reputation with its 4,700 mAh battery and 40W fast charging capabilities. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a, Bgram, N, AC, and a GPS. The phone features both a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm jack for wired headphones. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.